Hey man, let me make sure the mic is on, the camera is rolling, hat straight. Okay, we good, cause we gotta get into these joints right here. And I feel like I'm a little late to the party when it comes to these joints. I just remember all the times, you know what I'm saying? Your boy DeVintage be up on here with them things early. But now I feel like I'm late for some reason. I done seen them too many times and not have my own hands on what we about to get. Sit back, man, relax. Let's jump into today's early look. And before we get into it, man, y'all spam them likes up right now. Yo, man, what's going on, YouTube, man? Appreciate y'all, boy. Your boy is super excited. I'm excited because one, I ain't did an early look in like over a month, and two, I'm here chopping it up with you guys, so it's super dope, man. If you guys are new here, you already rocking out with the vibes, you already tuned in, you tapped in, you locked in with the channel, make sure you're subscribed. YouTube been unsubscribing folks lately, so make sure that joint still say subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop. You guys know it's getting closer to the release of some upcoming bangers, and y'all know we about to get some shock drops. So if y'all want that information, you already know what to do, man. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like this stuff. And all I ask you guys to do really, man, is hit that like button, because a like goes a long way. The like goes a long way. You guys don't even understand. So please, for the love of God, man, hit that like button for your boy DeVintage, man. All right, man. So you guys see him, bro, and I gotta get the Rambo knife. We gotta get the Rambo knife. We ain't pulled this thing out in a while. We have not pulled out in a while. But based off some of you guys' comments yesterday, you know, of course, I'm just not reintroducing myself to YouTube, but based off the comments that we did yesterday, a lot of people were not in agreement with me saying that these are the sneaker of the year. And I was like, you know, I'm just presenting that question, y'all. Is it the Jordan 4s, is it the 3s, the 11s? What is it gonna be? I know some people gonna probably throw in some Asics or some New Balances or some random sneaker it might be. But for the general consensus, I feel like it's gonna come down to these two sneakers. And let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Y'all see the bottom of the box, man. We gotta go ahead and pull out the whole thing. Let's go ahead and get into it. Shouts out to my boy for the good shipping, packaging, and all that good stuff. But you guys see it. Y'all see what we got right here. And I told y'all that I wasn't too excited about, I guess you could say, buying these for myself, but more so just seeing the new edition, the remastered version of this pair, because like I said, bro, we already got these guys right here, man. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and read the official colorway, man. Air Jordan 3 Retro Black, Fire Red, and Cement Gray. These are a size 9. I say, yo, I might have to keep these. I don't know. We might have to keep them. But let's go ahead and get into the sneaker, get into the box. You guys see red underneath. You got this little Jordan card right here. Flip it open. Which way does it flip? I think it flips like this. You got the, you know, the schematics of the sneaker. Go ahead and put that to the side. And without further ado, bro, make sure y'all didn't hit that like button. But let's go ahead, and they smell good too, man. It's like I ain't had a new pair of shoes in a while. I really haven't though. I ain't bought a pair of shoes in a while, man. But let's go ahead and check them out. We have no other than the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remasters, man. And on first rip, man, I'm already seeing exactly what people are talking about. You guys can see the differences. It's like night and day. You got the light skin elephant print, and then you have the darker cement on, or the elephant print on the toe box and the heels. Like, it's crazy. Like, it's literally stands out. And this is not the first pair that I've seen with this kind of light skin version of the elephant print. So I guess it's gonna be consistent with all of the pairs. They say it's truest to, what, the 88 pair or whenever they first dropped. Not too sure how, I don't know how true that is. But nonetheless, this is what we're going to be getting, man, in 2024 November, bro. So we're a couple weeks, or, you know, about a month from the drop, and your boy got them, man. We got these things a little bit over a month early just for the Vintage Squad. They've been floating around for a while. For a while now. I think that's just due to the fact that it's going to be mass produced. They said, what, something like 250,000 to 300-some thousand pairs of these guys getting produced. But I did want to mention the leather, bro. The leather is not bad at all. And a lot of people was comparing these or just seeing the pictures early and just, you know, talking about the Alma Year Air Jordan 3 leather quality. But this leather quality isn't bad, bro. It honestly is not bad at all. It doesn't have that super tumbled look like this one had, the 2018 pair. But when you get a pair in hand, man, trust me, the leather is actually pretty soft. It don't have that look to it or that illusion like, you know what I'm saying, the Jordan 3 Alma Years. But it is still some nice, decent leather quality, bro. It's some nice leather quality, I'm not gonna lie. Because first I seen them, it looked flat, and they do look flat when you get them in hand, trust me. They look flat when you see them, but when you actually get them in hand, feel them and touch them and stuff like that, it's actually not bad at all. And I was really seeing, you know what I'm saying, how they looked on pictures, because you guys remember the 2016 True Blues, I bought a pair of those, and they had kind of that same look as like a flat leather look and stuff like that. And they were super stiff, creasing up the first time I was wearing them. Just horrible, bro. I don't know what that was about. We was paying $220 for the True Blue 3s back in the day, which is crazy. And then you fast forward all the way to 2024, and we got that same kind of look to the leather, but it is actually pretty decent in my opinion, man. You guys see it, man. Huge Nike Air on the back. No jump, man. This go around remastered version of the Black Cements, and you do have your like translucent OG Nike Air hang tag that they did throw in the Reimagined 3s, if I'm not mistaken. I got a bunch of Reimagined 3s, yes. So the Reimagined 3s had them. I think it was a couple other pairs that had them. Actually, these two. The Air Jordan 4 Breads right here, you guys can see, man. You also had that little flimsy plastic Nike Air hang tag. And now that I officially have them both in hand, like I said, I was showing the 2018 pair, asking which one you think is the sneaker of the year. But now we have the 2024 Breads, the Reimagines, and we have the Black Cement Air Jordan 3 Remastered. So you guys let me know, man. Reimagined or remastered for sneaker of the year? It was some people that said they like these the most. It was a lot more saying they like the Bread 4 Reimagined a lot more. So, hey, I'm here for y'all comments. I want to see what y'all think about these sneakers and stuff like that. Because at the end of the day, man, if it wasn't for you guys, I'd be up in here talking to myself. I just might as well buy a mirror and sit here and talk to myself about the sneaker. That's what I'm here for, bro. I'm here for you guys, engage with y'all, chop it up with y'all, get y'all opinions, get y'all feedback on what we're going to be getting from Nike. I'm going to try to see if I can get some footage of me actually reviewing the 2018 pair of these. I did a pickup vlog when I was in Germany. Super dope experience. And I barely got a pair, but I end up, you know what I'm saying, finessing my way and getting a pair. But, you know what I'm saying, I already reviewed these. The same shoe, just, you know, slight differences in the quality, slight differences in the color, I would say, on the elephant print. But nonetheless, bro, still the same deal, bro. It's the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, one of them ones, top 3 Air Jordan 3s of all time, in my opinion. But they the 2018 pair. They ain't busted up. They ain't, you know what I'm saying, tarnished. These things is crispy, bro. Still a very, very crispy Air Jordan 3. And again, bro, I want to present this to you guys. I want you guys' feedback, y'all comments. If y'all are team remastered, man, please let me know down below. Comment team remasters. And if you're going to go with the Air Jordan 4 Reimagines to go down the sneaker of the year, man, please let me know. And what's crazy is neither one of these are my sneaker of the year. My personal sneaker of the year, neither one of them is my, you know what I'm saying, sneaker of the year. It's going to be something else. It might come as a surprise to most people, but I'm a little bit different when it comes to what I picked up this year, what I'm happy for, you know what I'm saying, adding to the collection, what I'm happy to rock and stuff like that. And once y'all show y'all what it is, a lot of y'all gonna be like, yo, you know, like, you bought 8 pairs of them. It's kind of a giveaway. If you guys guess it, let me know down below in the comment section what you think my sneaker of the year is. I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in once again. To your boy DeVintage. Super grateful for you guys to pull up. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure notification bells so you miss out on any content that we have been dropping over here on the channel. And again, be a lot more consistent, you guys. We got some content to push out. Got to get back in the swing of things. Got to get some early pairs and stuff like that. Well, all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.